Welcome to the Country Boy Auto Supply. One more time, it's your boy Trey. We in the lab, and tonight we're gonna play TV. So tonight, I hope y'all ready for another exciting episode of Country Boy Auto, and we're gonna talk about Equinox. Equinox, the time of year, twice a year, where the sun aligns with the Earth's celestial equator, making the day and night of equal length. This happens twice a year. What the hell? This is not science. Man, somebody fuck my notes up. Look, this ain't science class. We talking about a Chevy Equinox. That's what the night is going to be about, a Chevy Equinox. So, you know, damn, that sounds complicated. Look, let me go and get to work. Or how about I don't? How about I get to work and I play TV with y'all at the same time? So, Chevy Equinox. What do they have in common? Timing is what the Chevy Equinox and the Celestial Equinox has in common. Perfect timing, exactly, because one only shows up twice a year, and one, we don't know when it's going to show up, but it's guaranteed to show up if you own an Ecotec Equinox or Ecotec powered anything. That is called timing component failure. So, as these motors run, they're very dependent on the oil being clean. They're very dependent on the maintenance being up to date. And they're still going to fail. So, basically, they usually don't tear up because they're not in very hard driven situations. So, basically, you know, they'll make noise. The chain will stretch some. The guys will be slack. The guys may break. And it'll make a little rattle noise. You know, make a little excessive rattle noise, because to me, Ecotecs make noise all the time anyway. But you get a little excessive rattle noise, especially on startup. And the VVT models are even worse. So usually what'll happen is, oh man, look, he's going kind of slow. So I guess that's me. I guess I'm going kind of slow. So let me get on back there and help him out. I'm gonna tell you about the VVT real quick, and then I'll help him out. What'll happen, you'll notice the chain is losing its tension by the rattle you hear on startup. Sometimes the VVT will fail, and it'll seem as if the vehicle's out of... I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna get this done a lot quicker, so give me a minute, okay? Guess all there is to say is to be continued. I'll show y'all the reassembly very, very soon. Country boy out. Stay classy, everybody. Oh yeah, like and subscribe.